The future of living starts here. Meet Neo, the humanoid robot designed to make your home smarter, calmer, and effortlessly alive. From the moment the sun rises, Neo springs into gentle motion, quietly handling your daily chores with human-like grace. It waters your plants, tidies your rooms, folds your laundry, and even opens the door when someone rings, all while learning your habits to make every task smoother. Built with advanced AI, Neo understands natural voice commands, sees its surroundings, and remembers details to offer help before you even ask. Its lightweight, tendon-driven body is designed for absolute safety, while the soft, machine-washable knit suit gives it a friendly, comforting look that blends beautifully into any home. You can talk to Neo like a real companion, ask it questions, get cooking advice, or schedule chores right from the intuitive Neo app, even when you're away. Each movement feels precise, each gesture thoughtful, powered by Redwood AI that evolves with every update to take on more complex household tasks. Whether it's helping with dinner, organizing your space, or simply being there when you need it, Neo transforms everyday living into something extraordinary. It's not just a robot, it's your intelligent, caring, always ready home companion. Neo, the amazing robot for your home.